Tired of juggling calls and missing leads? Last Leads has got your back. With Last Leads, you get hyperlocal leads from folks right in your area who are actively looking for your services. And guess what? These are real calls, not just messages on a form. Our AI receptionist handles everything for you, answering calls, booking appointments, and making sure you never miss a lead, even if you're out on a job or it's after hours. But that's not all. We send smart follow-ups through text and email, keeping you and your clients in the loop and on schedule. And hey, no hidden fees here. Your monthly cost even includes ad spend. Plus, we boost your online reviews, attracting even more clients. Last Leads is a complete package. Generating leads, booking appointments, and managing reviews. It's super simple and making a huge difference for other landscaping companies. Ready to elevate your business? Last Leads. As in, last leads you'll ever need. Call today, 888-743-9488.